Yes, now let us consider the problem of computing mode for a discrete series. The first step, we are going to form a table called grouping table. The first step is to arrange the values of x in ascending order. 2, ஏறு வரிசையில் 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequency should not be arranged. The frequency of 2 is 10. The frequency of 3 is 40. The frequency of 4 is 80. The frequency of 5 is 60. The frequency of 6 is 20. Now, let us identify this as the first column. Frequency column the first column na number பண்ணனும். In the second column, listen carefully, group the values in twos. ரெண்டா group பண்ணுங்க. See the first two values. Group பண்ணி அந்த டோட்டலை display at the center. நடுவில் you draw a line, right? ஒரு line போடுங்க. It is not necessary that you should have a scale. You just casually draw a line. இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணி 50 இங்கே போட்டுக்கோங்க. Then go to the next two values. Group the values in twos, right? ரெண்டா 80 plus 60, 140. அடுத்த 2 values இல்லை, அதனால leave it. Okay? இந்த மாதிரி 2 group பண்ணுறது, you should do it for 2 times. Grouping in twos should be done for 2 times. Okay? In the third column, leave the first value and group in twos. ஒரு முறை firstலேருந்து group பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ first value விட்டுட்டு 2 group பண்ணணும். Right? Leaving the first value, group the values in twos. If you add these two values, you get 120. If you add these two values, you get 80. Okay? So, grouping for 2 times, grouping the values in twos is done for 2 times. இப்போ fourth column. Now, you should group the values in threes. 3 group பண்ணணும். பாருங்க, எப்போவுமே after grouping, you should write the total at the center. Right? If you group these 3 values, 80 plus 40 plus 10 is 130. The center is corresponding to 40. Okay? Again, I don't have 3 values, so I leave it. That's all. In the fifth column, leave the first value and group the values in threes. 60 plus 40, 100 plus 80, 180. That's all. அதுக்கப்புறம் 3 values இல்லை, you don't have 3 values, leave it. The process is over for fifth column. In sixth column, group the values in threes after leaving the first 2 values. Add பண்ணுங்க, you get 160. I am repeating, grouping the values in twos should be done for 2 times. Grouping the values in threes should be done for 3 times. இந்த 2 times group பண்ணுறது முதல்ல firstலேருந்து பண்ணணும். Do it from the beginning. Then for the next column, leave the first value and then do it for 2 times. Okay? In the fourth column, group the values in threes. In the fifth column, leave the first value and group the values in threes. In the sixth column, leave the first 2 values and group the values in threes. That's all. The grouping table is over. In this grouping table, identify the largest value in the first column, largest value in the second column, largest value in the third column, the maximum value in the fourth column. You have only one value. Adhan periya value. Okay? So, identify these values. Then go to the next table called analysis table. In analysis table, write the values of x in the topmost row. X values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Column numbers are, always you should construct only 3 columns, right? Column numbers are 6 columns. See, in the first column, the maximum value is 80. 80 corresponds to 4. 80 எதுக்கு நேரா இருக்கு? 4க்கு நேரா. So, in the first column, corresponding to 4, you put a tally mark. In the second column, the maximum value is 140. இந்த 140க்கு நேரா இப்படி ஒரு லைன் இருக்கு. right? In the 140 corresponds to the total, right? You got 140 by adding 80 and 60. That is the meaning of this line. This line says you added the number above it and below it to get 140. The corresponding values of x are 4 and 5. 140, 80, 60 add பண்ணதுனால கிடைச்சது. The corresponding values of x என்னன்னா 4 and 5. So in the second column, put a tally mark against 4 and 5. Okay. In the third column, the maximum value is 120. This line says that you got it by adding these two numbers. இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணதுனால கிடைச்சது. So the corresponding values of x are 3 and 4. Put a tally mark against 3 and 4. In the fourth column, the maximum value is 130. In the line says that in the line is corresponding to a number. So it says that you have added 3 numbers to get this number. What are the numbers? One number above it, one number below it, and the number. So இது 3 add பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, இது கிடைக்க. So the corresponding values of x are 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, tally mark. In the fifth column, you got 180. In the line says that you have added these 3 numbers. In the line போடுறது very important. In the line போட்டா நேரா எழுதுவீங்க one thing. Again, you will not get confused regarding the numbers with which you got this number. எந்த நம்பர்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணி இது கிடைச்சதுன்னு லொக்கேட் பண்ணுறது will be very easy. Okay. So 40, 80, 60, the corresponding numbers are 3, 4, 5. So for 3, 4 and 5 put tally marks. The next maximum value is 160. In the line says that you got 160. In the line என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னா 160 உங்களுக்கு எப்படி கிடைச்சது? By adding these 3 numbers. அப்போ the corresponding values of x are 4, 5 and 6. So put tally marks against 4, 5 and 6. Now the total. In the first column, the number of tally marks is 1. In the second column, it is 3. In the third column, it is 6. In the fourth column, it is 3. In the sixth column, it is 1. In the total is talking about the frequency density. ஏன்னா எவ்வளோ கூட்டம் இருக்கு, அங்கே எவ்வளோ கிளஸ்டர் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுது. So the maximum cluster is in 6. The density is more. இதுதான் சரியா? So the corresponding value of x is 4. So you come to the conclusion that mode is equal to 4. Fine.